Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create multiple accounts under one account. And for this we go to Google Chrome because this is the best way how we can fix this. So from here, tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com, then do go. And from here there's one setting that is very important to do, and that is right in the bottom on the three dots. Tap on that and then scroll down to request desktop site. So from now you will see the site as the same as that you're on your PC. So right now log into your YouTube channel. I already did it, so it's standing right in the top. Then click on that profile pic and then tap on settings. Alright, then here you will see my settings, and from here if I tap on add or manage your channels, you will see this option. Right now you can see the channels that I own right here, and if I tap on create a channel, you can see that I can create a channel if I give it a name. So if I fill in help me out too, then I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Right now if I do create, we need to fill in a phone number, but guys, I already use too many accounts on my phone number, so I can't do this option. But if you fill in your phone number and then do continue, you just created a new channel on YouTube. Trust me. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. If you have problems with something, comment that below, because I'm here to help you out. And after that, I wish you a very good day. Ciao and thanks for watching.